CDW Education is empowering K-12 schools with smarter, faster, more connected tools. We don't just provide technology, we create solutions that inspire better learning outcomes. There's no doubt AI is poised to transform the education landscape. And we're helping bring the power of AI to schools everywhere through a familiar platform, Google Workspace. Gemini for Google Workspace was designed to deliver a transformative experience for administrators, staff, educators, and students.
Gemini for Google Workspace is a potential game changer. As an AI-powered assistant, it enhances productivity, streamlines workflows, and unlocks creativity for teachers and students. Gemini helps educators brainstorm on lesson planning while empowering students with personalized learning experiences. The result is more effective lesson planning and real-time collaboration with AI-driven insights, all in a secure digital environment.
To help schools and leverage these capabilities, CDW Education provides services specifically for Gemini.
Implementing Gen AI into the K-12 classroom doesn't have to be a complicated proposition. Our experts can help your staff learn to boost productivity by automating tasks, dive into AI capabilities based on their roles and responsibility, and identify department-based use cases. We can also help with integrating Gemini for Google Workspace with your existing EdTech tools. We'll ensure your educators are confident, your systems are secure, and your investment delivers real results.
CDW has partnered with more than 4,000 districts and is uniquely qualified to support your schools in taking this next critical step toward the future of education. Ready to modernize your classrooms, empower your teachers, and better prepare your students for the future? Partner with CDW Education today to unlock the full potential of Gemini education.